Hey guys, it's Eileen and Jul, and today we are heading out to Chicago. We're driving there, so I think we should be there in about 7 hours. What do you think we're gonna do, Jul?
Eat some pizza, maybe go on a boat tour.
I mean, we are, because I booked the tickets.
Well, what do you think we're gonna do?
I'm gonna work a little bit, eat some food, see some sights, and hopefully not get in any fights with you.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay, here we go.
Bye.
Welcome to Illinois. We are now here. We just crossed the border. Unfortunately, there won't be any video of us crossing the border because someone was eating chips and couldn't be bothered to put them down. So here we are. Sorry. Okay, we're here at our Airbnb in Chicago. We're gonna unload our stuff and take a little nap and then go check out some stuff and get pizza. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, bye. Okay, we are now out in Chicago. Our first stop is to get some ice cream at Jeni's. Jewel hasn't been there before, right?
No.
Okay, can't wait to see what you pick out. Okay, here we are. Okay, here we are. Okay, here we are outside of Jeni's with our ice cream cones. I got cream puff and sun-popped corn. What'd you get, Jewel?
I got gooey butter cake and it's got cake and caramel in it. It's so good.
Mine's really good too. I made a good decision.
Me too.
Okay. We're gonna eat this and then go get some pizza. We're here at the Airbnb with our pizza. Deep dish pizza. Are you, if you're eating like a normal pizza, do you eat it with a fork?
No, not usually.
I usually eat like first piece or so with a fork because it's too hot for my hands.
That's fair.
Good morning in Chicago. We are now heading out for the day to go get some pie and tacos and go on a boat ride later on. It's a hot one out there today, so okay, bye-bye. Okay, we are here with the biscuits and pie, and we are so excited to eat them. We love this place. So, cheers! We are now here at Lincoln Park Zoo. It's very hot out today, so we're gonna see how long we last.
I was looking for the lions, but I'm not upset. I'm having fun. Well, it's your idea to come here.
We are now going to leave the zoo because we're so hot.
It's way too hot.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're on to our next stop. We left the zoo because it was just too hot outside, but now we are going to go on an architectural boat tour of Chicago.
East-west, and we're going against the current towards Lake Michigan. So it wasn't always that way. We'll kind of talk about that in a minute, though. But straight ahead of us on the left-hand, on the left-hand side of the river, you guys can see that large structure with these small, sort of green pyramidal-like rooftops. This is the...
Hey guys, it's Eileen and Jul, and today we're getting ready to leave our Airbnb. We gotta be out of here in like 10 minutes, but Jul wanted to film a quick clip to let everybody know what our favorite fun fact about the boat tour was.
Yeah.
Okay, so you go first.
My favorite fact was that the old Montgomery Ward's building is now the Groupon headquarters. And yours?
Yeah, that's not fair because that was mine. So now I've got to think about a different one.
Oh.
Okay, and my favorite fact that I learned was that Navy Pier was originally called Pier 2, but Pier 1 never got built, so then they changed the name to Navy Pier. But also, I had no idea they did so much jumping in the river here, and that's disgusting. And also, we saw the Morton Salt Factory, which is no longer that, but that's cool, because I have a tattoo of her. Okay, what was your favorite food?
I really enjoyed the pizza we got.
Yeah, the pizza was good. Also, the pie and biscuits were good. And what did we eat last night? Oh yeah, that pasta was good too. We ate last night. We didn't film that because it was just a long day yesterday.
And hot.
Okay, so we have a few more things that we're gonna go do, and then it's back to Minneapolis. So let's go check out the rest of the city. We are now in Milwaukee at the Milwaukee Domes. Light is awful here, but we're gonna go look at some plants now.